Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. The summer heat can get super boring super fast, but if you have a cute sprinkler pad like this from Totiro, your kids and you are going to really be enjoying cooling off during the summer. This is like a super splash pad that is lots of fun. It's got a great non-slip surface, meaning fewer falls. Rather, you can just jump around and enjoy the cool water. It's not completely indestructible, but it feels very durable. It's super easy to set up. Literally, you take it out of the package and hook your hose up, and then you wait about 10 minutes and you will have a super fun splash pad. You can see that it sprinkles in different directions, and the pad itself starts filling up with water. So it's really, really nice and shallow water for little ones and for older ones. It really is lots of fun for everyone that walks through, and especially on hot days, it makes it even more fun. If you're looking for something easy that you can set up, I really would recommend this. It is a great option to have in your yard for little ones, and if you yourself just need a little cooling off with or without a pool, you've got it all right here, and that's my point of view.